Good afternoon, Demetrius from Ace One. Here we have a rather unique situation. We have a yard with poor drainage, and I've discovered the culprit. Clay. Lots and lots of clay, high water table. As you see, we're starting with our trenching. And not only are we starting with our trenching and our grading, we're also actually pre-testing the system to test the natural fall of our trench before we finalize anything. There's a sprinkler line. So as you see, 2% grade is what we achieve. 2% grade is what we go for. And this is just a natural simulation of a spring shower that would accumulate. And we will clean out as necessary. Excuse me, boss. Nothing but orange clay and a high water table. To be continued.